In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a date/time question to your SurveyMonkey survey. Let's get started by heading to the SurveyMonkey website in your browser. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. If not, sign in so you can access your surveys. Once you're in, open the survey where you want to capture a date, a time, or both. This is handy for things like appointment scheduling, event RSVPs, or simply timestamping when respondents complete a particular action. Inside your survey, switch to the Design Survey view. This is where you control the content and structure of your questionnaire. On the left side, you'll see the Build panel with your question types. If you don't immediately see the option you need, click View More to expand the full list. Look for the date/time question type and select it. As soon as you click it, SurveyMonkey will insert a date/time question into your survey automatically, usually right below your currently selected question. From here, customize it so it makes sense for your respondents. Update the question text to be clear and direct, like, please choose your preferred appointment date and time. If you only need a date or only a time, adjust the settings accordingly so you're not asking for extra information. You can also set the format to match your audience's expectations, such as month for days or year, or day, month, or a year, and choose whether to include a time picker with hours and minutes. If this information is essential, toggle the question to required so respondents can't move on without completing it. Consider adding a short description to guide them, for example, letting them know your available hours or any blackout dates. If SurveyMonkey offers validation options for date ranges, use them to prevent selections outside your availability window. You can also drag and drop the question to place it exactly where it fits best in your flow, such as right after an availability question or near the end of a registration section. When you've finished editing, your date/time question is ready to go. A quick tip before you wrap up: give the survey a brief check in preview mode to make sure the picker displays correctly on desktop and mobile and that the wording is clear. That way, respondents won't be confused and you'll get clean, usable data. And that's it. You went to SurveyMonkey, opened your survey, added the date/time question from the Build panel, and customized it to fit your needs. Save your changes and you're done.